Number 13 on page 410 is the first problem where we're going to simplify basic identities. And this is going to eventually lead to us proving identities or disproving identities in section 2. So we want to make sure that we have a good handle on the basic identities so that we can apply them in a proper way. So this problem is important to learn how to use some basic identities to simplify an expression. So we're given 1 plus tangent squared x over cosecant squared x, and we want to be able to simplify that. So hopefully you'll very soon start to realize your Pythagorean identities first. So we have 1 plus tangent squared, and that can be written using a Pythagorean identity as secant squared of x, and that's going to be over cosecant squared of x. And then from there, we can use reciprocal identities to rewrite these. So we know that secant squared is 1 over cosine squared x, and that cosecant squared we can think of it as 1 over sine squared of x. And of course, that is just going to be the reciprocal of 1 over sine squared, which is just going to be sine squared x. So now where we're at here is we have sine squared over cosine squared of x, and that is one of our quotient identities, which is tangent squared x. And we cannot simplify it any more than that. So that is simplified.